in the world that I work in with athletes as a mental health professional, we talk about, okay, what does recovery look like? It isn't this is doomsday and that's the way life is going to be forever. It is, what does that look like? And recovery could look like no different than, okay, how many people have torn their ACL, had an injury of some sort, right? You had to go through this process of 6 weeks, 6 months to a year. And that recovery was more so, okay, you went from having the surgery, being on the crutches, to not being on the crutches. Now you can do weight bearing, type of exercises, and then all of a sudden you're running again, right? And so recovery looks like, okay, how are we measuring success or measuring growth, not success? How are we measuring growth every day from a mental standpoint? And adopting that growth mindset and not that fixed mindset. That's another part of training from the neck up and not just the neck down, is everything doesn't have to be black and white. Right? Nothing is good or bad, it just is. How am I feeling? What am I thinking? How are those thoughts and feelings contributing to my lack of growth or, my ability to grow on a day-to-day basis?